Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Devil May Cry 3 on Android. First, you will need a compatible Android device with at least 6 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Ensure your device has ample storage, perhaps 20 GB or more, for the game and emulator files. We'll cover the essential steps to get this classic action title running on your mobile phone, providing a fantastic portable gaming experience. Next, selecting the correct emulator is vital for playing Devil May Cry 3. ETHA SX2 is a highly recommended PlayStation 2 emulator, known for its strong performance and active development. It's generally free to use, offering a robust experience. Alternatively, DMC PS2 Pro is available, but often comes with a cost and mixed reviews. Always download emulators from official or trusted sources to ensure security and stability on your Android device. Now, let's talk about getting the game itself. You'll need a Devil May Cry 3 ROM file, which is essentially a digital copy of the game. It's important to note that, legally, you should own the original PlayStation 2 game disc to use a ROM. Once you have the ROM, usually in an ISO file, transfer it to a dedicated folder on your Android device's internal storage or an SD card. This makes it easy for your chosen emulator to locate and load the game. Finally, it's time to configure and play. Launch your emulator and navigate to the folder where you saved the Devil May Cry 3 ROM. Select the game to load it. You might need to tweak some emulator settings, like resolution or frame skipping, to find the best balance between visuals and performance for your specific device. For the best experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth gamepad, as touch controls can be challenging for action games. Get ready to unleash Dante's stylish moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.